I imagine that most of you Microsoft 365 users have heard of the OneNote application, as it comes as part of the Office Productivity Suite. However, it seems to be one of the tools that nobody uses or knows how to use. When the average person needs to write something down or create a piece of writing, they tend to automatically use Word. But why? OneNote is purpose-built for those kind of things. But trust me, it's more than just a digital notepad. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can record tasks in OneNote and automatically add them to your task list in Outlook. So once I open up my OneNote, I'm going to write down a few things that I want to add as tasks in Outlook. After I've done that, I simply highlight each line, go to the Outlook Tasks button found in the Home tab, click the down arrow and choose when I want this task to be completed. As you can see, I can add tasks for different days and even create a custom deadline. Now that I've added them to OneNote, I can go straight onto my Outlook and you can already see that the tasks have been added to my task list. How great is that? There are a bunch of other useful functions that come with OneNote. So if you're interested to see how you can get even more value out of the application, use the link in the description to sign up to our newsletter and receive weekly tips and tricks.